Hello guys. So you're all welcome back to Crypto TV. So guys, please if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos, comment on my videos, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates whenever I release a new video on how to make money online. So guys, today I have a new platform that I'll be sharing with you. So guys, also don't forget to join my WhatsApp group in the description box below. So guys, if you haven't joined the WhatsApp group, you are missing out. Kindly join the WhatsApp group in my description box. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump onto this platform real quick over here. So guys, we have a new platform over here. The platform name is called Global Cloud Shop. Don't worry about the link, it's in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you could be able to register a new account with this platform I'm talking about. So guys, over here is the this is my dashboard over here. As you can see over here, this is my dashboard. So this is my dashboard over here, as you can see. So guys, in order for you to register a new account, let me show you how everything basically works. So for you to register a new account, you just need to click on my description box and join the referral link over there so that you can register a new account. So guys, I'll first of all log out my account, then I'll show you how to register a new account with them. So guys, for you to register a new account, use my referral link in the description box. Then when you come over here, then you click on this register button over here. So we click on this register button, then we input our email over here, our password, our withdrawal password, invitation code. The invitation code is really important, so guys, you need to really use my referral link in the description box below. So guys, also you can bind your email address for verification purposes. So guys, this is how you basically need to register a new account. For me, I'm already having an account, so I will just click on login. So guys, I'll just click on this login right now over here. So let me log in real quick so that I'll show you guys how everything works. So this is my dashboard over here, as you can see. So let me show you how this mining is being done. So we have a plan 1 over here, which is being sold at $30 and some cents over here. So you can actually purchase this plan and for $30, and you'll be getting a total amount of $3 each and every day for 100 days. For 100 days, you are going to be getting $3 each and every day. And you have the miner 2 over here, which is going for $66, and it's going to last for 10 days. And for the 10 days, you'll be getting a total profit of $10 each and every day. So let's say for the 10 days, you are making a whole sum of $100. So guys, that's how everything basically works. So it goes on and forth. You can purchase you can purchase any of these miners over here if you want. Remember, this platform is going to last. So guys, let's take advantage and make money with this platform over here. They also have a mining pool over here, a mining pool which shows everything, every information or every data about them. You can read it over here. So also they have some token that they are into. You can also stake this token if you want. And also guys, in order for you to get referral link, you just need to click on the rebate over here. So you click on the rebate and they will show you the percentage that you'll be getting for inviting friends. So for you to copy your referral link is real quick over here. You just click on the referral link here, then you copy it successfully. So guys, also if you want to recharge or if you want to make a deposit, you click on the recharge button over here. So let me click on the recharge button. You see they will develop a TRT20 network for me to deposit. So you copy it, then you go to your Binance. So when you come to your Binance, then you make the deposit right away. After depositing, then you go on and purchase a mining plan. So you go on and purchase a mining plan. And also guys, for you to withdraw your assets, you just need to click on withdrawal over here. So guys, then you click on withdraw over here. So when you click on the withdraw button, then you input your withdrawal address over here. Then you select the network that you are withdrawing through, Then you confirm everything. After confirming everything, you click on the withdrawal button for here. So guys, that's how everything basically work on this platform. So guys, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, comment under the video for more, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. So guys, don't worry, I'll be giving you updates on this particular platform. I'll be giving you some withdrawal proofs and other stuff. So guys, don't worry, just use the link in the description box and register a new account, make a deposit, and let's start making money. Thank you all for joining today. Bye.